Boom, and welcome to another video of the Flowing Dutchman. It's been a while that I've been very active on the socials, or especially YouTube, because I am active on Instagram a lot. But I've simply didn't have much time to edit, so I do have a lot of videos. I still have videos from 2021 when I was in India, or 22, even though I've been in 23 as well. So yeah, all those things, including the documentary, new certifications coming up. It's just been a lot of travel as well. So yeah, it is really been more busy than it used to be. So yeah, YouTube videos are on short, but I've got so many ideas that I want to just get on the screen. Yeah, so that was a little update from me on that part. This video is about a very cool flow. I really like this song. So it just, it always gets me. So yeah, in this flow I get really deep with it. Try to, move with it as much as I can and like start to embody the song. That's kind of how I feel it when I really get down in the deep zone of flow. I just try to be like a musician between all these other musicians that are playing wonderful music. So I kind of get lost out of my head, so to speak. And I've done it with this beautiful mace. It's from Kiba Berlin, and it's a wooden handle with an iron head. So yeah, it's a beautiful mace that I think is one of the best swing maces out there. It's really good. So enjoy the flow, guys. Enjoyed that flow? Well, if you want to get kind of to a feeling where you understand what I just did, it is a good idea if you sign up for one of my beginner courses at strongandfit.com. So that is a beginner introductory course that takes 6 weeks with 2 workouts every week. Now in this course you'll learn a lot. You'll learn how the foundations that I've set up can be used in your future training as a mace training athlete or trainer, or whatever your goal or ambition is, to be as creative as you can. These foundations will set you free in the sense that you start to understand what things are possible, and then creation becomes possible because you understand the mechanism, so you can actually think it out before you start doing it. And that's the beautiful thing about this system. So if you're ready, jump on the introductory Macebell course on Strong and Fit. Boom! Thank you for your attention. It's greatly appreciated. If you like the content, please consider to share, like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see similar videos, you can see them over here. If you're interested in learning more from me as a coach, I've got online courses on DutchFlowAcademy.com. Keep flowing, Ram Ram.